Which motorcycle throttle lock is really worth your time? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Crampbuster CB4. The Crampbuster CB4 is a throttle-mounted motorcycle cruise assist that caught my eye instantly with its straightforward design and budget-friendly price of just $13.89. If you want an easy way to keep your throttle steady during long rides, this is worth a serious look. This product shines with its simplicity. The Crampbuster allows you to relax your grip on the throttle, which is a lifesaver on those long stretches of highway. It's made from durable plastic, and the slip-on design means you don't have to deal with complicated installations. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It provides comfort without breaking the bank, and with over 300 units sold in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people complained about it not fitting well on every handlebar type. Here's the thing though, it worked perfectly for my bike, and for most standard grips you should have no issues. It might not be the best for everything, but if you have a compatible bike, this is a no-brainer. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to ease your throttle grip on long rides. Skip this one if you have non-standard handlebars or prefer something more advanced for constant speed control. You really can't go wrong for the price. Now, if the simple design of the Crampbuster CB4 isn't what you're looking for, the next option offers a more universal fit. Product number 2, GCA1BK GO Cruise 2. Next up is the GCA1BK GO Cruise 2 Universal Throttle Control System, priced at $40.78. What caught my attention here is its universal design, which promises compatibility with a variety of bikes. If you want a cruise control solution that adapts to your ride, this is worth a serious look. This means you can relax your hand and enjoy your ride without worrying about cramping or fatigue. The adjustable design caters to different throttle grips, ensuring a snug fit. Here's why this matters. With over 50 sold in the past month, it shows that riders appreciate the convenience it offers. However, some users mentioned that the installation instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it works reliably, and it's a fair trade-off for a system that can fit multiple bikes. This is perfect for you if you ride a variety of motorcycles and want a flexible throttle control option. Skip this if you prefer a more permanent installation or find DIY installations frustrating. For the features it offers, the value is solid. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a high-end throttle lock. Product number 3, Atlas Throttle Lock Top Kit. Now let's talk about the Atlas Throttle Lock Top Kit, which comes in at $195.95. It's a bit of an investment, but what really caught my attention is its top-tier engineering designed for serious riders. If you want a premium throttle lock that gives you the ultimate control, this is worth a serious look. The Atlas features a solid construction that integrates seamlessly with your motorcycle's throttle, allowing you to maintain a steady speed effortlessly. The lock is designed to be adjustable, which means you can set it to your exact comfort level. Here's why this matters. It's built for long-distance rides where you want to avoid the fatigue of holding the throttle. With 50 sold recently, riders seem to be loving the performance. Now, some riders pointed out that the high price might be a turn-off. Here's the thing though, if you're a frequent long-distance rider, the comfort and ease this system provides can outweigh the cost. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your riding and want something that's going to enhance your experience on the road. Skip this one if you're just a casual rider or if you're on a tight budget. It definitely offers value for what it's built to do. Now, if that price made you hesitate, the next product provides a more budget-friendly option with reliable performance. Product number 4, Atlas Throttle Lock Bottom Kit. Continuing with the Atlas brand, we have the Atlas Throttle Lock Bottom Kit, also priced at $195.95. This version offers similar features to the top kit but with some design tweaks. If you're looking for a well-engineered throttle lock that's still premium but caters to a slightly different setup, this is worth a serious look. Just like its counterpart, this throttle lock provides a comfortable grip and easy speed control, making it perfect for those long rides. The adjustable design ensures a perfect fit for your throttle, and it's built to last. Here's why this matters. You want something that not only performs well but also survives the wear and tear of the road. The popularity of this model is evident, with 50 units sold recently. However, a few users mentioned it can be tricky to install initially. Here's the thing though, once you get through the learning curve, it's a high-quality addition that pays off in comfort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable throttle lock that fits your specific bike setup. Skip this one if you're not up for a bit of installation work or prefer simpler options. For the quality it brings, it's a solid investment. Now, if you want something that's even easier to use, the next product is a great option for casual riders. Product number 5, Universal Anti-Fatigue Throttle Lock. Finally, we have the Universal Anti-Fatigue Motorcycle Throttle Lock, priced at $33.99. This product grabbed my attention with its heavy-duty construction aimed at reducing wrist fatigue during long rides. If you want an affordable solution that prioritizes comfort, this is worth a serious look. It's designed to provide steady speed control that helps keep your wrist relaxed. Here's why this matters. With long rides, wrist fatigue can ruin your experience, and this helps combat that effectively. That said, some users reported that it can feel a bit bulky on the throttle. Here's the thing though, while it might take some getting used to, it's a small price to pay for the added comfort it provides during those long trips. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use throttle lock that won't break the bank. Skip this if you have smaller hands or prefer a more compact design. For the price, it's a really good value. Now, if the design of the Universal Anti-Fatigue Throttle Lock doesn't suit you, you're still in for a treat with the other options we've discussed. So there you have it. Whether you're looking for an affordable option like the Cramp Buster, a flexible solution like the Geo Cruise 2, or the premium comfort of the Atlas throttle locks, there's something here for every rider. Consider your needs and budget, and you're sure to find the perfect throttle lock for your motorcycle adventures. Happy riding!